dudes? Welcome back to Survival Gamer. This video I'm playing Among Us online, so make sure to hit the like button if you like Among. I'm gonna ask you a question. If you ever been a crewmate, imposter, and a ghost in Among Us, hit the like button and subscribe. Let's do this. There's 2 imposters among us. Okay, let's do our task. See, oh, he's faking it. No, take out the trash. Oh, we have to save lights. Oh, now I'm gonna empty this garbage. Yeah, yay. We don't have it. Why is he following me? Let's. What? Stop calling a meeting. You know what I'm gonna do? Red sus is the imposter. Red. Vote red. I vote red. If you want like the vote to get faster, you hate it, you just have to click this. Get red out! Get him out! Red was the imposter, yes! So right now I'm gonna do prime shields. Have a task in navigation, yeah. That's where you like drive. Like I watch in the Pixel Kingdom. Yay. I go admin. Prime shields. Prime shields. Beep beep. Beep 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 beep. Oh, let's keep on killing. I say we skip vote. Skip. 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 No one was ejected. Skip. I go to electrical. Why? Yeah, I like doing wires. Fix lights. Let's do data download. Then I'm done with all my task. Then I can like report somebody or something. No! Who's keep on killing? I say I vote out pink. Yeah, pink. All of these colors are always sus. Except green. Vote pink out. Vote pink out. Pink was not the imposter. No. Oh, I hate when people report. Oh, hurry up. Just keep on sabotaging these lights. Wait, are you faking it? Are you faking it? I'm faking it out. Yeah. What? One imposter remains! Aw, how can I find the imposter? Yeah, I'm already done with our task. Let's find the